Mater, let's go! You're on!
Your Majesty, may I present for the investiture of honorary knighthood of the British realm, Pearl Mater of Radiator Spring.
Go get him, buddy.
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe Mater.
Sir? Shoot, you can just call me Mater, Your Majesty. I don't want to hear none of this sir business. By the way, have y'all met each other? Queen, McQueen, McQueen, Queen, McQueen, McMissile, McMissile, McQueen, Queen, McMissile.